Welcome to Casa Espacosa C/Lareira M Campos do Jordao RAS175, a spacious holiday home perfect for your getaway. Be sure to check the description or QR code for easy booking details. Nestled in the charming town of Campos do Jordao in Sao Paulo State, this property offers convenience and comfort just moments from the Campos do Jordao Bus Station, making it easy to explore the area. This 3-bedroom holiday home provides ample space for families or groups, featuring a cozy living room with a TV, ideal for relaxing evenings. The fully equipped kitchen includes an oven and microwave, letting you prepare meals just like home. With 2 bathrooms stocked with towels, linens, and hair dryers, your stay is set up hassle-free. Enjoy free Wi-Fi and private parking, great for road trippers, and rest easy knowing the entire property is non-smoking. Nearby attractions include Emilio Ribas Train Station, just 2.1 kilometers away, and the scenic cable car ride only 2.8 kilometers from your door. Nature lovers will appreciate Horto Florestal Park's lush greenery, just 16 kilometers away, while São José dos Campos Airport is 84 kilometers distant for convenient travel connections. Whether you're here for adventure or relaxation, Casa Espacosa combines affordability with essential comforts. Don't forget, secure your booking today by scanning the QR code or checking the description link.